Hey guys, Ackeem Sterling here. I'm just gonna share with you these all-terrain Crocs here that I got on Amazon. I'm looking pretty neat right here. You can see I'm rocking this color right here, and it basically neat. You can see, guys, real original Crocs, and this is basically the 9 men and 11 women, looking pretty neat as you can see right here. I love that it comes with a strap at the back right here that can basically pull and release if you want to adjust this back strap right here, which is pretty neat. Not many Crocs come with the adjustment that you can adjust it, which I think I love about this right here. As you can see, looking pretty neat. You can see inside, guys, so you can basically wear it like this and you can strap it up onto the back, looking pretty neat. Fit perfectly fine, very neat right here. You can strap up this on the back. As you can see, I like to wear my Crocs like this, looking pretty neat and cozy. As you can see, guys, this right here can strap up onto the back if you want to wear it that way. That's how it basically look, very neat and cozy.